Welcome to EdOn. We are going to discuss SEO today. Search engine optimization. It is basically a technique which increase ranking on result page. It is important because it lists website on top page. It increase the probability that your target audience reach out your page or land your page as soon as they search. Let's us discuss example. Let's search something example Best TripAdvisor. As you can search Best TripAdvisor as you search you are more likely to click on first line, therefore if your website rank here then your audience will reach it more likely, so SEO help you to get your website at this first rank. There are two types of SEO, first is on-page SEO, second is off-page SEO. On-page SEO includes all those techniques which we apply on website's page which help to improve its ranking on search result page. All these techniques should be told or discuss with website developer to increase ranking, or you can make such changes to website yourself by using WordPress plugins. Off-page SEO. Techniques which we apply not on website but on external sources to increase ranking. It has nothing to do with website's code or no special skill or a person required for it. Hope you get to know what is on-page SEO and off-page SEO. In upcoming videos we will discuss them in depth. If you like the video, subscribe and press bell icon, hit the like button and do mention in comment are you liking this video series. Stay tuned and share with your friends and family.